It is another beautiful night on a Saturday. You can tell us exactly where you are watching the Grassroots Media from. Apatu Afrika ni hakuna kulala. Apatu Afrika ni hakuna kulala. So you can share my broadcasting. He was driving a long distance. So before that tulalala, tuishibane. Tell us exactly where you are watching the Grassroots Media from. Tell us where you are watching the Grassroots Media from.
Dude, you not see that as a kill me records, but we walk up to Mama Diamonds. Impi. Chiriensta ya kusalanga ya kumana. Baisa mugutube baikara. Chiriensta ya kusalanga ya kwana. Baisa mugutuse baikara. Nishina batekanya. Kwa titebu basakala nyongo. Ngaba iringanya. Kwa titebu babumpwe. Ngaba isa mukulombe koti baishefyanga pushi walokwa. Ngabati banakirire batekanye. Kwa titebu baja bachimiko. Liliatwa salilepo kusala bena. Twaleti bakaya tulande lako. Kanshi bena mapange yabo. Yali yaku yakunonke lapo. Bakashite kwe jacket 3 piece. Na mapea fulu ayansapato. Bakatuminwe pizza chicken and chips. Biko kuna fanta bakanwine po. Bakashete chicken shawama. Chilie chibanzi ichafikoko. Bakochere potibon. Bakanwine po whisky. Bakafimbe timikoshi na mafumo. Anyante kukunganda ya mafunde. Balila pofye balila banako. Banshi pena tabanyanta po. Dionse ni mumapachero. Kamuamona baisa pempula kone 15 ishtanga ya palama. Irenska ya kusalanga ya kumana. Baisa mugutube baikara. Irenska ya kusalanga ya kwana. Baisa mugutuse baikara. Nishina batekanya. Kwa titebu basakala nyongo. Ngaba iringanya. Kwa titebu babumpwe. Chimone kafwe botule mikanto. Isha kunene na kwechi bumba. Icha kubatwala pamipando. Tapakokola bayamba no kuponta ifilayo. Tabafikirisha ifilayo. Ifwe twatendwa amabula nketi aliavala ile. Lilutula la pesaka. Amanine na mabatile twakulaya. Lilutula lila kanuka. Misebo batile bakesa seba. Indala mashalubira mwitumba. Mstedi batwebe fyo bakabumba. Baituka ulapya masele mumapeka. Filayo. Tabafikirisha ifilayo. Ifwe twatendwa ifilayo. Tabafikirisha ifilayo. Ifwe twatendwa ifilayo. Tabafikirisha ifilayo. Ifwe twatendwa. Baisa mugutube baikara. Kusalanga ya kwana. Baisa mugutuse baikara. Nishina batekanya. Kwa titebu basakala nyongo. Ngaba iringanya. Kwa titebu babumpwe. Chirienska ya kusalanga ya kumana. Baisa mugutube baikara. Chirienska ya kusalanga ya kwana. Baisa mugutuse baikara. Nishina batekanya. Kwa titebu basakala nyongo. Ngaba iringanya. Kwa titebu babumpwe. Twatitikishiwa mwandikwe na pafula. Nobuwino bwangalo batila politik. Abenga mano yabo yaba ya mahipokrit. Tabapusana sana mano na babarisi. Yenska ya kusalanga ya kumana. Baisa mugutube baikara. Yenska ya kusalanga ya kwana. Baisa mugutuse baikara. Nishina batekanya. Kwa titebu basakala nyongo. Ngaba iringanya. Kwa titebu babumpwe. Chirenska ya kusalanga ya kumana. Baisa mugutube baikara. Chirenska ya kusalanga ya kwana. Baisa mugutuse baikara. Nishina batekanya. Kwa titebu basakala nyongo. Ngaba iringanya. Kwa titebu babumpwe.
You don't see that as a kill me records production.
Wantala misuka. Babumpwe. Basakala suka Olapumpulu Leti basakala nyongo
Like this. Jonza bila bantu kanda suba mafuta bantu misundu no yinde mwaka ndebo mbera no mbali wala monata apike mirungu na mwita tu contract alela pa ni wachabe mtoto wangu ilinomba kwa shalati less than eye ukuvota ilinomba kuli ilinomba wa councillors na MPs abatabale bombola bafundumene ukwambe misebona aseboyo okabika dala lilazi wale extension yonse mungulu wa shadi uyo wale kwatira abapena ayo kwabwelelo wale extension yonse mungulu wobe mufuba bo wale extension yonse alakuka bakantu elomba abantu nabacha inonshita tekula vote la fe mungulu umuntu use deliver mubwekesheni utate deliver that person out in the name of Jesus. Yeah, mwachukula vote la vyo mungulu inonshita kumona nomolo vote wamwe kweba tuwa kanseshi ngata disappointing atule kokula ma 5 years before set up ngata bombe nti replacement. So all of us are replaceable. Chimona kuchengero kulonga nchire bomba bwino. I'm replaceable. Shape of his own. Its members are tired of hatred. Its members are tired of greediness, are tired of selfishness, and are tired of corruption that is taking place. This is the members of UPN. And about ordinary innocentism. For the first time in the history of Zambia, there is a government that is extremely corrupt. What is going on in Zambia today has never happened in the history of that country.
Because of Ukuyamu to alikutemuisha from the lower level to the higher level, from our mushi to our neighbors mumba. Ukufa ukuyamu ababemba cyabashani wabashani kanshi wabashani kanshi aba mushi ngabaya babalisha they vote for UPND. When UPND is such a mess, they vote for them. Our neighbors mumba up to the point of being vice president now bale for ukuyamu. That's why I'm saying the members, some of us, we are used idiots. Not all of them. There are some members who have got principle. But a number of us are used idiots. And we need to stop this. We need to stop this. No one is going to sue me. I'm part of you. But I'm going to Christian province. I'm going to Christian province. I'm present Nishimale is a community house. Nishimale is the Mafia machine. If you want to let us be principled. Not for Fokuriamu. If you do not pay them, never Fokuriamu. Being useful idiots, it's not good. We are now the child. You are messing up this country. Some of these things we should frown upon them. We should say, no, this is not right. This is nonsense. We should refuse it. We should refuse. Tokotoka principle. Anyway.
And the last thing I want to say to the president of Zambia, be careful how you fly this helicopter. I wouldn't have told you Well, I wouldn't have tell you any of the English. You fly a helicopter from your house to the office. You are looking down on the state house. You are staying in your own house. The land of the nation is not happy with you. You left the state house. You are living in your personal house. That means you are telling the land of Zambia that their state house is a stinking house. The Lord is warning you. You are not bigger than God. The way you carry yourself, you look untouchable. But the Lord said, after you have forced yourself into power for second tenure, they will took injection, that injection will be for health challenge. Hear the voice of your people. Go back to the state house for the nation to be built well. You have not done anything for that nation. Be careful of this helicopter. You are moving from state house to your house. You are diminishing the pride of your country. It's a message I came to give to you. Thank you, sir. I love you, sir. Sir HH, forgive me, I'm just a messenger. Don't mind the way my mouth is running. Forgive me. I'm just a messenger. Don't come for me, I beg. I'm Johnny's son. As for Martin, that's the way God said it, I'm telling you. Nobody paid me anything. Forgive.
Good evening, madam. How are you?
Okay, thank you.
How are the things in the Patriotic Front, and what encouragement can you give the people outside there?
Stay calm. We are moving. We are on course. Don't be frightened. Make sure wherever you are, mobilize the youth. Magamaka is our youth. Let's make sure we become strong and the mighty Patriotic Front. Don't nenuka. Don't look back. Just make sure you recruit as many people as you can next to you to become strong PF members. And also ensure that those who are going to be 18 next year by April, they should all get their voters card registered. It's starting very soon, 7 days to go. Make sure you start registering by the 13th of October. You can register. But the Patriotic Front shall never die. Ever green, ever fresh.
Thank you so much. It is another beautiful night on a very beautiful Saturday. I'm Joseph Chimba, the Grassroots Media President, broadcasting live in the Republic of Zambia, driving all the way from other provinces, all in one. Mweba de tamba bonse, you are important. Mweba Zambia ni bonse, mweba nsupporter, mweba following, you are important. Kwa bula imwe, with the Grassroots Media, we are nothing. You are our bosses. That's why this time, this is 22:48, the live, Ndelanda. And which sosa, Chipamano. Mulandu wanshita. Abantu bade fokula bade shipula. Bada batu wadileta slogan no tulando kwebati hakuna kulala. Hakuna kulala ba mwana mayo. Kesa lala baka inde ichilema ba president besunga bapona ama election. Bantu ba president besu baka inde bale pona. Bale bepo fyati bunga uka ba 50 kwacha. Tapari ushita po bunga 50 kwacha. Apepo ndelanda. Bale bepo kweba kwa kabelo sheding. Abali kurusaka. Kukabwata, blackout. Chalala, blackout. Kamwala South, blackout. Kuku, Chawama, blackout. Ngombe, blackout. There are so many places where there is no electricity. This shows that President Hakainde Hichilema and the UPND, they have failed. You cannot run a country in darkness. Darkness is for the devil. Light is for Jesus. It's for God. God has given us everything. Lesali tupele mfula. Chakweba tiyari loka. But we are able to export electricity outside the country. When our own people, balela lomwa fita. Because of load shedding, HH has lost election. Because of load shedding, Hakainde napona. Ngatu ngore mla kwa tulesa baila. Mulole she efe bala mostele just ama voters card. Elo echala milenge shokushwa Hakainde Hichilema na. Zambian people are tired of living in poverty. President Hakainde Hichilema, when he was in opposition, he made it very clear. Fertilizer ikawapai 250 kwacha. He's a liar. You the peasant farmers, are you buying fertilizer 250 kwacha? Akasa kama tabaka 10 kg, kaleshi kwa more than 800 kwacha. Are we not ashamed as a nation? As I'm speaking now, I'm a farmers tabala foreign dalama. Mfula ya lambo kuloka tuwashefe na madeza nono. Otherwise, this country is not going anywhere. President Hakainde Hichilema HH has failed. It is not an insult, it's not hatred, but that is the truth. The reason why the Zambian people, they voted for change. Change is not about living in darkness, load shedding. Change is not about increasing fuel. Change is not about increasing the prices of meal. Change is not about arresting people, taking them to jail, taking them to prison. Great leaders, they don't send people who are politicians into jail. Instead, you work with them so that you can gain experience. President Hakainde Hichilema and the UPND, it's a failed government. It's a failed state. We are not going anywhere. Unless mwebe nemule fokula chula. If you the Zambian people can complain and suffer within one term ya Hakainde Hichilema, what about the second term? That's why ngamwamona na limieba. When you go in the forest, ngamwamu forest, na ngamwamu game park, mwayamu na vouchers yale pona. Ama vouchers, ifili na manga inkala munga yaria, ya ipaya, inkala munga yasharako, kwa befintu fibidi ifili na mamu game park, inkala munga yasha ya ikutayaya, kwa ribachi mbui, kwa isa na vouchers. So when you are in the game park, you see ama vouchers yale pona. Nishimwaishi watiparia na chimbwala sangwa. Inama paria na hapo ili afwa. Eo bashireko. Where we are, when you see political prostitutes, those people that move from one political party to another, na sharaneka political party, when they start joining a failed government, that just understand that government is going. Ela muamona fe balaba na baneka political party. Na balaba pange tuma political party baria. Because ino longa pange chipani and ngala pange chipani. It will be not easy kwa mkujoina ichipani chi government. Ela longa kwa toru pia. When I'm going to have people that are going to believe in me, ukwate chipani. I'm not going to align with the government of the day. I will be a voice for the Zambian people. Noku making sure that government ili kwa ya bomba. But they don't have to mona, but never smumba, bari pangre chipani chavo, ba firwa. Baile mkusenda MMD. Why? Because umuntu wakwataka pasi waishoma politics by never simumba bali kwete chipani chabo eba lela that Zambia shall be saved lelo bali yamukujoina UPND sure is never simumba serious with the Zambian people and the Zambian politics. Government ya lundobunga, government ya leta load shedding, government ya lunda fuel. Mulando kufa fuel kwa tolu pia. Chimona ba Kavindele, I'm very disappointed. Kavindele and never simumba, you are the vice president of this country. You are the people that you are supposed to control Hakainde Hichilema. But because you are the former vice president, you are on payroll, getting money. And you don't care about the Zambian people. Mwale fola kare, mwali kwa tolu pia, mpia jamu government mwalilia. Lelo, mwale supporta government ile chusha bantu. Baka Vindele, na ba Nevas Mumba. Iwe nani Father Frankie Bwalia, mwalilia mwali kuta, mwali mu PF. Wali ambassador iwe, na kuzesko wali bombereko. Le, mwalia mu PF, na mu UPND mwasa mkuria. Because you don't care for the Zambian people. Because as a leader, you have to think about the poor people who are living in the shanty compound. For the people in the shanty compound to survive, they need electricity. Here comes Hakainde Hichilema and this failed government of liars. Basa little load shedding. They don't care. They don't care. They don't care. Because government here kwatafi oluse. Ilingile ile tina bantu. Hakainde and UPND, they are not scared of the Zambian people. That's why Babomba kwati mufulo. They don't care. The whole Lusaka, 3/4 of Lusaka is in darkness. 3/4 of Lusaka. Kwa kanyama kuli dark. Tell me where you are. Uko garden house uko. Kuli mfifi. Number, what kind of a government is this? And do the Zambian people want to support a failed government? You are not going to develop as a nation if you continue supporting a failed government of Hakainde Hichilema. A normal Zambian, you have to say no to load shedding. A normal Zambian, you have to say no to high prices of fuel. Alebe pobu fingana isa. Fuel kaba 12 kwacha na 10 kwacha per liter. Lero fuel yalifika 31 kwacha because it doesn't care. It doesn't fear the Zambian people. Because you, the Zambian people, you are cowards. Most of you are cowards. You fear to tell him off. You fear to protest. Why do you fear to protest? Because it is in the constitution that you can protest. Hakainde ngarerunda fuel. Ngaleta load shedding. You have to protest. But the church enchile unaika muretamba. The church la unaika la umika munganda. Are you not ashamed dukula tonyebero mwafita? Are you not ashamed dukula kisingo mwafita? Are you not ashamed? Abana benu bele kano kuberenga. Because when you every house you have got namgwataba anaba kuskuru. How are they going to start to cover light? Zambian people have been reduced to be beggars. Zambian people have been reduced to be poor, more poorer under President Hakainde Hichilema's government. And you are placing outside there, supporting a failed government. Some of you are not serious. Ubuchushi wali mipenya. That's why you support nonsense. Me, I'm not going to support nonsense. I'm not going to support a useless government. The reason why these people, you voted for them, they were supposed to improve your lives. How do you improve your lives? Fuel ya dola, transport ya dola, bread ya dola. Mwalesta bread shika MPF. MPF mwalesta bread 8 kwacha 10 kwacha ni ya dola. Lelo bread is 25 kwacha. Nombanga mwababe ngipanganda. Kuti mwalya bread imo. Kula shita bread itatela ngwibili. Abantu badireko kulya bread brand wako Hakainde Hichilema. Ama eggs yali chipile MPF. Tile ama eggs yali 23 kwacha. Nga dola yali ba 25 kwacha. Apepo ndela nda tile ama eggs is more than 70 kwacha. Munani muma supermarket. Tile ama eggs yali fikana more than 100 kwacha. Inkoko mwalesta shinga MPF. Mwalesta inkoko 35 kwacha. Nga dola ni 40 kwacha. Lero inkoko yali fika 120. What nonsense is that? How do you increase more than 100%? Do you think that the Zambian people, all of them, they work in government? Do you think you, the UPND, you think everyone is working in government? Zambian people are living in poverty because of your failed government. And because you have got people who don't care for their lives, that's why you support nonsense. Why do you support nonsense? Why do you support a useless government? Because this government, Father Frankie Bwalia said, the UPND government is a useless government. Today, Frankie Bwari yale ikuta. Alisha abantu balechura. Ayamukumala ba UPND. He's not even ashamed. But I won't say I'm a pro. Alikwete chipani Frankie Bwari. Ba mirupi. Ba alikwete chipani. Lero liba Minister of Infrastructure. They are making money. Their children are benefiting out of this government. What about you, the poor people? Echo mulefu wa change. Mulefu kufanya insala. Echo mulefu wa change. Efele sami pere la matuayo. Aba kumutwe kumfwa. Efele sami pere la menswayo. Kumona. Efele sami pere lo tunwa kulanda. Things are not okay in the country. You are supporting. Because mwalitemu buchushi. Wa muntu wa ubushirofo bwaba. Teba la bonza baba kuchina baba pena. Kwani baba mwaba pena. Chakwe bati alela lo mwafita. Alelumba. Alela insala alelumba. Kwani ubushiru. Wadi wama categories. Ukupenefo kwaba. Kwani wama categories. Kwani wa muntu alisambirira. Ali kwa tomwenso ali pena. Wa muntu ule chura. Ule supporta. It's another level of ukupena. There are so many people about pena. But la muchachi bale ingira bale pepa. Bale mala osana. Abe ngibali pena. Because a normal human being you cannot support a government that is oppressing the poor. How do you allow a government abela kainde echemali ko opposition? Ichecho maba vote le chinchi. Kulete nsala mucharo. Kusa muta increase fuel. Kusa muta load shedding. This nonsense must be stopped. And this nonsense can only be stopped by the Zambian people. Either by protesting. Because police. In the constitution it is there. When things are not okay in the country, you have got the right to protest. Why do you fear to protest? Mulatila sana uniform ya police. Da ba police mule mona. Bale la mulo sheding. Bala fa ka bantu ba ko balandila ko. Ba civil servant ya bengi ma cowards. The only civil servant who shall coward ni Kaunda. He was a teacher. I'm going to prophet Kamuchalo. I still resign. I join Nama politics. Most of the civil servants are cowards. Balatino kulanda tiyo bakanjika tamairo. Why should you fear to talk as a Zambian? Why are you fearing to protest when you are living load shedding? Because the IGM tinya. Yonga mwalanda pali protest kuku ikata for what? That nonsense must be stopped. We are Zambians. That's why we have got the constitution. The constitution is the only thing that can protect our country. So, the constitution is protest. We have to protest. We are not going to allow this country dying like this. Government, which government? Umuntu is arunda fuel. Now we color. You are a minibus driver. You are a truck driver. You have got a company. And you are supporting that nonsense. The people that you promised you that was some government fuel cheaper. And the only thing that I hate about this politician, when I send the fuel free, akainde echi matasta fuel. Ba mutale bende na ndeke, ba mutale ba imitofore, bende na ndeke ba increase in order to reduce. These people they don't care, and they have taken advantage on you, the poor Zambians, because you can't talk. That's why I'm like kushitisha. Now mikalo mwafita. They are keeping us. They are keeping like us as if we are in the forest. They have taken advantage of the poor Zambians. They don't care. They don't see pressure. That's why they are behaving like they can treat us as if we are babies. For every country to develop, you need citizens that can think and defend their own country. Zambian people, most of you are cowards. Mwari kwa tomwenso. Ela ba polisi mulabatina. Na bena bale lale nsala. Na bena bale chura. Bale lale mulo shedding. Polisi. Nishi ba polisi. Ubu shikunga balala. Bala mulo shimbi ba kuma do. Filafina mukoma ama do. Na bena ba polisi wala bika kotun shimbi. Wala bika kotun shimbi. They need to be protected by us. It is in this country where the police officers, they start arresting us who are speaking on behalf of them. This is where this country cannot develop. Ulelanda onsaka mwikateni. Ubu shikula tume miotoka. Namba ele kali bari dabwa ine. In every day na bapa musewo. Apaso na chila crosser. I've just been crossing over from Central Province, entering into the Copper Belt. If you're nyenda ine. Nyenda ngomuswema. Because bali chilamu uleba la ndila kolero bale kala bale dia buino if you bale ikuta malori chila tikamwika you cannot develop a country where you have got the police officers who are working and professional. Abantu bale kulandira kwatu le dia buino bakulundira ma salary malori chila samkumwikata. That's why this country cannot develop, because most of these police officers, they don't know what they are doing. That's why sometimes to attend chawa prakashile because I've seen South African police officers, the way they behave. They protect the people that are speaking on behalf of their country. Uganda, but police will let me protect. Here in this country, when I talk about them, tomorrow they have to arrest me. They want to silence everyone. This nonsense must be stopped. We are failing to develop because now we because our police people only think about to be arrested. People are fearing to be taken to jail. This nonsense must be stopped. In a democratic country, people they speak. Why should you arrest people are speaking? If he's a coward, he should resign. If Hakainde Hichilema is a coward, he doesn't want people to talk about him, let him resign. He's not the alpha and omega of leadership in this country. If he doesn't want people to talk about him, let him resign. There are so many people that want to live in State House. There are so many people who want to develop this country. So if you want to become a politician, or you are a politician and you don't want people to talk about you, the best thing that you can do, you Hakainde Hichilema, resign. Or you call for the election. We are not worried about you to resign. We are not worried about you to say I'm not going to stand in 2026. After all, you have messed up this country. This country has been messed up. Zambian people, if you put out people bantu, every day when people feel the problem one sala. In a country where there is poverty, people they look like confused. I'm a civil servant. I'm like what bana banshiwa. Ngamwarolesha babe na bomba company aba kuma Indians kuma Chinese kuma Nepalese kwati badi pena. Zambian people are living in their own country like they are slaves. Minister of Labor is a white elephant doing nothing when our people are being mistreated by foreigners. Zambian people are paid peanuts and the government is watching. Our brothers and sisters are being paid peanuts. Leropo tulela ndaba medi bale from 800 kwacha. How are you going to survive as a maid? Ule for 800 kwacha and 1,000 kwacha. 30 days, maid will pay 1,000 kwacha. There is as if there is no government. You see, this country cannot develop, and it will never develop because people that we put in the government, they don't care. They care for their stomachs. The only way we can develop this country is to stop the nonsense of mistreating those who are in need. Aba ichimabomba supermarket, bale chura. Minister of Labor Minister of Energy is a white elephant. Shading at minister. That nonsense must be stopped. This time as I'm speaking, I'm a farmer Tababa Perendalama. Tabalambo Pocket fertilizer at Maniquata Minister of Agriculture. A white elephant. This nonsense must be stopped. This time Opotorela and Pano. Umuntu bao domuti. Abela Suvia Masebo. Bao domuti. Basenda Makontena Bafisa. Zambian people are dying like flies. You are the Zambian people who are supporting nonsense. Because if I was President Hakainde Hichilema, I can fire Sylvia Masebo. I can fire Minister of Agriculture. I can fire the Minister of Mines. How many people have died under this government? Kuma mine. Do you think that is normal? A government that's supposed to care for its own citizens, they are killing people, and you are the Zambian people are supporting that nonsense. Why should you allow that nonsense? But smuggling. When you have got enough food, when we have got enough food in the country, why should you kill people? Aba kopa belt libanga baikata. Umuntu ashito obunga bwa ZDNS. Ashtishe mulando. Nikuisa chalo cha nicho. When I have market na shtaka sotiaka. Ngande fuatela kasha 5 pin. Abela Hakainde Hichilema bala ishe ngombe shinga. Ni ngombe shakwe. Mulaufa. But umuntu ashito obunga ku ZDNS. Take ya ibikile price yakwe. Why? Why are you mistreating our own people? Ule ufuanga ashito obunga ku ZDNS. Ashito obunga 230 kwacha. elwa bika pa 250 ulefwa kushtoshi ushefwa tetashte. This is not monopoly type of business where you have to restrict people to do whatever you think. You government, keep your government offices. Let the private do their own business. This is the same thing that I talk about. If I become a president of this country, by that DNS, they will stop working Kuma meeting. The Arama meeting, the civilians must work from Kuda Arama meeting. By that DNS, Marikwataka Lenchito. Mwamkuwa pe Lenchito na India kola lalingama meeting. If I become the president of this country, understand that. When I become the president of this country, I'm not going to allow that. But that DNS, Marikwate Fia Kuchita, kuna kuingisha kwa civilian, abasha kwa Fia Kuchita. Kuza DNS, ama top leaders. Kuna fuaika, abantu abashasa mbirila, na abashasa mbirila. Uku inja muza DNS. It is this time akaunda barese ndori wonse. Bushanga kwa buke inkondo ilasala tukwali bo wasambirila, no shasambirila. Yala kwali benchito shibosho also twingala munafya abantu langu tabasambirila. They are able to communicate. Mwabe ngishobu soja. Because inkondo ngaisa mucharo. No ushali mwala bamu. So abasambirila nabashasambirila. But soja uti mwabe ngisha. Mwaba trenesho kulishe mfuti. Bushakula kwa kwata degree kwa mkubwa musoja. Kulafa kwata degree kuba ZDNS. Ba ZDNS kutiba kwa tama department. Mwaingisha abantu abashasambirila nangu ba grade 7 kutiba ingira. Abashapusha maskuru kutiba la take esabi. Namba uniform elefwala. You can have fish farms where abashasambirila under ZDNS kutiba ingira. Bala abashasambirila ba grade 7 ba grade 9 kutiba ingira ku ZDNS. Lelo mulefwa ba grade 12. Mwana batichirwe charo abantu abengita basambirila. Ushoku take esabi kulafa ka degree. Kula posa feed kuisabi kulafa ka degree kulafa ka masters. Balaba sambirila they can be promoted. Balaba shasambira kuingila na uniform elefwala. Because agriculture odi wonsala alata practice agriculture. Ushokuli mamataba kulafa ka degree kulafa ka certificate ya grade 12. Balaba shasambirila you can create a nabela bakwata ko rubari urwa kubomba muze DNS. Nangu ichibemba kuti balanda chitonga kuti balande chilozi kuti balanda kuti babomba muze DNS. But today you are saying you want to treat only those abasambirila ngabashasambirila. Where are you going to take them? So when I become the president of this country, I will make sure you the people are not educated. You are going also to get employment. Nanguna kwata enala you can work. Mufamu yaba nani yaba ZDNS na uniform wafwana. What problem is that? Kuteke esabi mulefu certificate. Ukulima mataba mulefu grade 12 certificate. What about the people who are not educated? Bamu abantu tabafu ele kule keskuru. Kwa bench tosho benga bomba muze DNS. Isha bricklayer. Kulafa kokula manga ndaba ZDNS. Ushoku ukupele ndaka. Kulafa ka degree. Kulafa ka bantu bashasambirila. You have to incorporate them and employ them. Number this time na mona ure charo. Muna mnafia jiyo certificate. Arashtensh. Umuntu kupu ba bricklayer ni banga bashasambirila. Ba bricklayer ni banga bashasambirila. Ni banga bashasambirila ba bricklayer. Ayamanga ndamwikala mwabakurire. Bari kwa tama degree. Abakura manga ndo mule ikalamo. Bari kwa tama masters. So we need to have a policy where we can also create job for those people who are not educated. But that then is kutima nishabanto bashasambirila ba bricklayer baiche. Bale bombenchito. Ngalamu kwata project baze DNS kutuba ngishaba shasa mbeba grade 7 bale bomba lempia bale fora. But because we want to treat other people who abashasa mbeba kwate bantu twali bapanga kwati mbali ba case. When I become the president, I'm going to stop that nonsense. Look what happened by PF bali government. Bale ukuchita connect ngwakule nganda kuchita connect amalight ku Zesco kwale bali 700 kwacha if I'm not mistaken, somewhere about 800 kwacha. Today, kushita connecting nganda ngwakula kanganda ka 2 room. But what to connect amalight is about 7,000 kwacha. What nonsense is that? And you the Zambian people are supporting that nonsense. Ba PF ba let connect amalight na 700 kwacha or 800. Lelo kushita connect amalight ku Zesco po kuletela panganda pamobe you have to pay about 7,000. What nonsense is that? Do you think everyone has got money? Babantu bakwaresa chinwe chalo nacho naika. And if you the Zambian people you can't see that Chona Chonaika, then you are not leading this country. The people that you have put in the government, they don't care. President Hakainde Hichilema, he doesn't care. Because the guy that care, get your lunde fuel from 17 kwacha to 31 kwacha. Does he care? I'm a light teacher. Influence locally. Alabula malaiti alishtisha. Does he care for you, the poor people? Ali sangiria mataba. Abula mataba ishtisha. Does he care for you, the Zambian people? Ale mieba fertilizer kaba 250 kwacha. Muleta shinga fertilizer. Influence lambo kuroka. Because you, the Zambian people, don't care. You don't care. That's why mule una ulecharo. You think everyone is enjoying life. And I can assure you, President Hakainde Hichilema, by 14 hours, nishina pona my election. 10 hours nishina pona my election next year. By 14 hours nishitude punda. Hakainde Hichilema, haka ponobu vikucha barungu. Barungu ba ponene, bari ponene my election. Ariba win 1 million. And I want to encourage somebody outside there. You, the people, don't vote. You should also vote the way they vote. Who vote next year? Mwaba kuchipata mwaliba, mwaba ku Eastern Province. Chibe mbachanda okwebati. Pacha ubeta pobo wishibe. Na itaba kuchipata. Mwaba kuchipata malikwata problem. De ya kuvota, kuya mkwimbe mbeba. De ya kuvota abaimo. If you don't vote, nishukalete nsala mcharo. De ya kuvota, fila imbe mbeba. Aba nao bale vota. So imo mwaba kuchipata imwe. Mwaba turumuka menzo nge mbeba imwe. Mwaba turuka menzo nga bakoswe. Time ya kuvota. Register to vote. Katurefona next year. Mukale lala. Mukale diya bakoswe. Panti mwa wafurungana. Dea kuvota mulembe mbeba. Ane nubale vota. We don't want to vote apathy. We want everyone to vote. Get registered. So that next year, tukesefu miyapo obuteko. Na imo mwaba ishibo kuvota. The way you voted in Southern Province. The way you voted in Western Province. The way you voted in Northwestern Province. You gave us 1 million. 3 provinces. Na kani muka vote. Kufunya Hakainde Hichilema. We want to see how you can vote out a failed government. Filafile mwamu vote Hakainde. Eve tulefa muka muvotolole. Because mwalitule tele nsala. Bonse. Mweba kuruwa pura mweba ku Eastern Province. Mwalitule tele nsala. Uyuka teka na lete nsala. You know what I'm talking about. Mwaleli prashinga transport. From Patoka to Mamba. Mwaleli prashinga transport mu PF. From Lusaka to Mamba. Mwaleli prashinga transport from Lusaka to Mbala. Today, you are, muna una urenda la memi ntapendwa. Cause fiyo ya lidura. Hakainde ifyo kuteke chalo. Umuntu nga file kuteke chalo. Tabamu patikisha. Efila walanda tine chupo taba patikisha. Umwine ngalando kwa chupo kwenye jifuaya. Bakoti walanda tine balekade. So don't force Hakainde Hichilema to be in government next year. President Hakainde Hichilema, we have to retire him next year. He has failed. He has wasted taxpayers' money. Walishiwa ukwanisha motoka. Every day you are covering about more than 20 kilometers. Every day you are covering more than 20 kilometers. So if you have got 5 cars, you are covering about 100 kilometers. Hakainde is covering more than 100 kilometers per day. Number, you multiply 100 kilometers if you onishinga wala bonfia. Number, multiply by 5 years. Wasting taxpayers' money. And you, the people who are educated, you are supporting Kwenyu, because you don't have this country. HH has failed. Hakainde Hichilema body has failed. The driver that you gave the authority to drive a car is a driver who has got no experience, is a driver that has got no driver's license. Hakainde Hichilema has failed. Advice to you, the Patriotic Front and the Tonsa Alliance. I'm a politics, so the reason why you have PF, the Tonsa Alliance, the thing that is failing, can you mount by security? Start training people that are going to protect your votes. When a election in 2026, you have to invest in money for a bantu to protect our vote. Second, muningema kwata security. You have to train your own people who can protect you wherever you have got meetings. That to the father, to say umfatio, but don't say about attack, kuma kada zaba so na so. We don't want. So but don't say invest in money, kuli security. For I never go Mr. Protect. Second, invest in money. Look for the youth. Look for the youth. Aba tentu mulani ngechi panuko braba youth. Abe imiti kula empanga. Abe ne mama politics ba youth. So invest in money by youth. Then you also invest in the media. You cannot run a political party without the media. Apepo ndela nde chile tamba. Why? Because I'm able to communicate to the people. Number, if you cannot invest in money in the media, how do you expect to win an election? bale mibe pesha tiyo mwali kwete makadazi ngabe nabale umabantu te makadazi ba UPND abale isalama offices yaba DC almost the whole country te makadazi ba UPND baraba umine ulia DC ngani nguna mponda ni DC ulia uwa kukasama te ba UPND makadazi aba isala ama offices yama kulo kinga yenga offices te makadazi ba UPND. And today they want to send over PF bakwete makadazi. While they were pretending to be PF members. It's only that because the PF, they don't have a strong media team. PF lost the power because of poor media team. They don't want to show what they did. A people to labor UPN, the bad and sender. I'm a project to Mapangeba PF because now Mulala Mule Shipula. Bad and Boku CDF. You are not serious. You don't want to invest in the media. Mulefa ture bomba fio kwa bulor pia. Mulefa ture bomba abantu bale bomba kwati fipyango kwati madomat, and you expect to win an election without the media. The media needs transport. The media needs money. The media needs food. Mulefa bale bomba na insalaba iche. Atio tuka win my election. You need to invest in the media. A political party without the media. The UPND they are a propaganda machinery of media. Before 2021 election. But it's time investment ba Koswe na ba watchdog kura lembe fiabufi. That's why you can't know who lands Koswe, who lands watchdog. Those they hide in a body shukan gandelanda. Me I land the grassroots media bad in Shiba. That's why I don't do politics or propaganda. I'm not a coward. Those who are landing ma Koswe and watchdog, they are cowards. They are hiding. Most of the media houses that are showing on social media, the administrators are not known. People are learning those medias are cowards. But me, I come out and speak. Because I learn the grassroots media. And I don't do politics of propaganda. Nangukula wana uleshina dia muntu. I don't. Ngachanka lipakusa mkuranda. But mulambe peshe fiabufi. Fia madongo dongo. Fia matotori. Because me, I speak the truth. I come to speak. When I tell you that UPN is gone, it's gone. By opposition, can you look at it? By security. By PF. Look, can you... Pay about security. Pia. For any pia. Invest money muniba women. Naba kwa bali ngebaredia. Umwa icho ya dilanda judge kuria. Let all these structures baredia. Tati mwana ngechipe kwa bora media. Mulefu abachibale bomba free. And if you also watch ba Tonsa Alliance naba PF. Tamasho kwa ninga media. Media, you tell people. Kwa di bafwa ba kusukuru kwa kusukuru kubelenge fya media. No kushitali sechi fya pali media. Teuri wonse Jim and Jack uingala shooting no kukopata kwaba. You need to train people how to handle cameras. You need to train people how to handle lighting. You have to train people how to light. But today mlese nda fiodi wonse ationi ba India. Ela mune pangana makateo. Mwali pangana makampu. Wa abenda na mundubire bali kwatira media. Abenda na barubinda bali kwatira media. Media director doesn't even know. If I was the media director of the PF or media director of Tonsa Alliance, first thing kutrenesha abantu. Rubinda ngalefu mamurusaka. Alingira tumina phone in media director. They're out. Nikuso kwa mule abakateka. On their kasama. What do you need? Therefore about media. By media, they are supposed to be paid. By media, they need to be protected. Kwa di boku kubachita attack. Kwa di boku I am accident. So you need to train them. You don't just pick people. No kwambo kwenda na bena. Kwa fishing. You train people. Na media director lingira ishiba. Abela na mundubile. Ni banani? Abela na kumtotoka fuwa. Ni banani? Number media director. He has no delegation of responsibility. Ati mwali kwa media director. Mule angala. Mwali temo kupona. Mwaba PF. Mwatu PF. Mwali temo kupona. You need to look for people of professions who can teach. Nala bala fuma rubinda bala ya kuserenje. Kuishiba. Abala na barubinda ni banani. Oh, tuwalasa ndabala kashibabiri. Naba umebabiri aba media. Owa mwatirenesha. Ama kamera bali nge bakwata. Good cameras. Ama phones asuma. Naba kwata ma tripod stand. Naba kwata ma boom mic. You call yourselves, you are the media without understanding the work of the boom mic. When there is shooting an echongo, if there is wind, ichongo cheka. You don't understand the pointers of using a boom mic. You don't understand how to cover the mouthpiece when you are shooting. You don't understand what type of the angles you can shoot. That's why mlesa ngola ngubaka inde nani ba member of parliament bale lala. Because abale shooting ataba when ngola shooting omuntu na lala. Before tawula shooting ulingile waishi but member of parliament una lala. Nomba la mu shooting the whole world is watching. Mwamba ula member of parliament wa kumongu ala la mu parliament mwakopa because you are very unprofessional. You think mune afuirisha but you are destroying your own country. In media there are ethics that we understand. Umuntu kwa debakuti nanaka na insha motoka the whole day. Elo ingira mu parliament alala. Wala bula kamera wa mu shooting. What are you trying to achieve? Muna ona ureshina kwa member of parliament. Muna seba nyane icharo. Kurando kwebati members of parliament eba kuzambia balala la mu parliament. But me never akuskuru. Taking shooting a member of parliament nalala. Because I've gone to school to understand. Umuri wonsari kwa tama rights yakwe. Kwa libo kunaka. Kuti alalo muntu. Nombo wasango muntu na alala. As a camera person wakopa. What are you trying to do? To destroy the name of the member of parliament? Ngolefo kumukopa. Kusesha camera. Wayako. Camera yalosha the other side. Wakuri wa member of parliament waba totosha. Oh, honorable. Muleshi pula. Ndekopa. Wamu chebusha. Me have done that before. You don't just do it. Baba na tiyo ba grassroots media. Bali shibo kopa. So ba nani. Ba Jackie Mwimbu batila shipula. Ba na kopa. You don't destroy people in the name of shooting. No. Jackie Mwimbu alikuwa taba kashina bana. Bala mwanashani ba Jackie Mwimbu le shipula parliament. But because you are using people and professional. Mwani mwana pa abantu ku BBC. Aba sungu bada. Ku parliament kumi abara lala. Here in Zambia, you want to destroy the names in the name of your liba media. Kula mwelesha mwafia abantu. Pantu wako opposition nganala tentu mukope. Pantu wa government nganala parliament tentu mukope. You are a fool. We need the people of professions. We need the people of professions. Not because I belong to the opposition and I cover the issues of the media. Pantu ba mu government na balala ba Jackie Mwimbu na nguna la gari nkombo mu parliament na lamkopa pako batimpanga ma points. We don't develop a country in such a manner. That's being foolish. So media director para PF alingira ishiba kuba sambirisha abantu how to handle ama cameras, how to edit. You can't be a media personnel. You don't know how to edit. Then what kind of a media are you? Nga mwakopo tuma photo, mwakopo tuma video atamwe media. Na mba media director na mikara. But ababa media, which media are you talking about? Because in media, there are ethics that we follow. Kwa liba futi konga mu media. Kwa liba nama shots. Kwa liba nama pictures out shooting. Because every picture has got a story. Nomba mulese ndaba iche, yo, eva media. Barubinda pakuya, before tabala ayoku di konse, balingi babita pa secretariat. Baita communicate na media director. Ndia kuchipata. Therefore kwa ba media. Then kulingi kwa aba security. Uli in charge na security. Barubinda bale out. Uwala na barubinda ba security balibanga. Twalafu wa moto ka ba security. Imi yoto kashibiri. Ni acting president ulia. Kulingi kwa moto ka kuntanshi. Na kunuma. Ya kumusta protect. Kwa every car. Ya barubinda. Na mulamonse. Mulingi mwa aba media. Aba kuteleport. Moto ka ili kuntanshi. Ilingira kwa taba media. Muni barubinda. Moto ka mobari. Mulingi mwa wa media. Security kunuma. Mulingi ba security na media. But mule bomba kwa tibaiche. Mule kalakata. And you think we don't know what we are doing. Mule tuwa kuskuru. A media director doesn't even know. Other than our president. How do you become a media director? Who is a media director? Who is a director? You direct. You direct the human resource. Abala yo kunibaso. Each vehicle must have media. In case of a star attack, mwala kwata footage. No, but amwashi wana footage ebo chipilibula. So you by tonse, can you train people in the media? Train people about security. Train people that can protect you. No kufa ba lawyer. Abakulandira ko abantunga babekata. Because I'm a politics, but we kata mutakuwa chomulandu. So ba lawyer, you need to have a team of lawyers. You need to have a team of security. You need to have a team of the media. It's not everyone who can go to school so that you can know about the media. We can even train you within 2 weeks. At least I've got an idea how to handle a camera. Nabantunga barelanda. Not to Muntuale Shipula. Mule kopa. Elo chibenshi ngomaba kopa. Ba Davis chama. Nango ba Davis mulanga ba Shipula mchechi. Foto tairi bwino wako power poster. Otherwise, tulamutamba fe. But one day mukatufaya. Because iyo media team we mwakwata batonse. Tina ipasa. Kwamba one. Tamakwata media team imwe. Ba PF tamakwata media team. Mulabe pa. You don't have a media team. Mule angala. How do you become a media? How do you have a media team without you? People, they don't even know how to edit. Na ba UPN tamakwata media team. Bakalaka tafeba na ba iche. They are just copy and paste. Copy and paste. They don't know how to edit. They don't even understand post-production. They don't even understand the meaning of production. They don't even understand about the footage. How to censor footage. Umuntu afuma mu toilet. Tafuele zipu apanga mistake. Wako pa zipu. Ulangi, what are you trying to achieve? Mulea, nakachinda leo kuli konse. Takwate media. Mwasenda abantu. Abashashi wakita editi. Chingu fina mwasenda. There are things that you can edit. That's why there is what we call post-production. In media, there is what we call post-production, where you edit. It's not everything that can be seen in the public domain. Kwali mama ethics ought to conquer in everything that you are doing. Anyway, mkatufua ngama tufua. Choma pone neba PF. Toma kwa media team. Mwalipangile fintu fingi. Abena Antonio Mwanza Badia. Na bena Sande Chande. Bale nwafia mati. They never cared for what Aidi Kalungu wafia rebomba. They never cared. And today you want to continue with the same nonsense. Ngabami start attacking by UPND. Ama media UPND ansara. You cannot even defend yourselves. You don't want to release money to the media. You don't want to help the women. You don't want to help the youth. You don't want to invest money in the security. Bakala mipuma. Ulamuna kwa chikutu waende kwa security. Inanga na ba president ine. Uwa chipani. Before she ba president. Ngandia ukasama. Kusende myoto kashiri 4. Na ngui myoto kashitatu. Ine moto kandili pakati. Moto kaidi kunitansha security. Na kuru maguri security. Na muka temo ni security. Every vehicle. Na ikuatana ishi. Na ikuatana na ba journalist. Na ma cameras mounted. Iwe. Ulenda kwa ati mwana we skuru. Muletola fya abantu ba UPN that media. Mwatola fya abantu PF ati ba media ba. Wabalolesha ati ba media. Do you know the work of the media? What is media? First you have to understand what is media. And for you to work as a media personnel, what is needed? You need to have equipment. Tama kwa tana laptop ati. You only for media. You don't even have to edit. Whatever you shoot is to post. Some things that they need to be edited. Anyway, mkasala puka mkapona. Politics wale michasha propaganda na mwikara. Bale miebo kweba ati pale fe mwabomba. Mwalisha mwalipanga maskuru. You can't show. Ama bridge mwalipanga. Ukufila kufumia motoka yaba media. Ati yote walikuwa media. Mule angala mule buta. Ni mwatu PF tu tonse mule buta. Na mwabele tu UPND mule buta. Mule buta. Mule angala tu UPND tu PF tu tonse. Mule buta sana. It is easy to educate people. This time kwa ibana internet. Mwaba trenisha abantu. Wako atama tripod stand. You cannot shoot. Ule mono muntu wale shootinga. Ati balaninga ma page. Na ikata phone kuminwe. Who told you that when you are shooting, you have to hold your phone kuminwe? The picture must not shake. Why are we not allowed to shoot with hand free? Because the picture will be shaking. There are people about what I problem. Ama pictures ngale chitaso. Ama meso yala bashupa. So you need to buy a tripod stand where you have to put your camera or where you are supposed to put your phone so that the pictures are not shaking. Here you have got people who don't even understand why we have tripod stand. They don't even understand the importance of sound. You cannot run a media without mic. How to run a media without mic? Because the work of a mic is to pick good sound. Crystal sound. But we say that you only media. They get take a phone, go up stand. This country is very poor. And the leaders have got poor mind. You cannot run a political party and what taught you somewhere Sala. But I'm going to tell you, stay out from politics. Because every sector needs money. But security, but if I can dalama. Before Tabalaya, they need to be protected. They need to have equipment of being security. If you are a media team, you need to have equipment. Uleko papa president kuminwe. Now kwatala ka phone now we got community baleko pa lewa media. Picture is shaking. Poor sound. The guy say chimwela ni brrr. You think about Zungu, they can accept you as a camera personnel. Your pictures are shaking. There are two types of pictures. There's what we call still the picture and emotional picture. Most of the time we use two pictures on politicians. Motion picture and still the pictures. So before you shoot, when you shoot a picture, you need to look at it. Is it making this person or destroying this person? Mwadia mwana dama pictures ba post regarding combo. Kwa jari kota. Muntu alifia buino. Wale kupa. Poor media team. Kwa di mama ama pictures. Wamona I picture. Yala mona uro muntu. You don't just shoot and throw in a picture in the public domain. You need to look at all the pictures. Wasenda ma pictures wa shooting. Wabika pa laptop. Wala mona ma pictures actually wino. Ita ilibuno you delete. Good pictures you show. But because of good poor people, poor media team, whatever they shoot, they have to throw them on media, destroying people. Hey, it's cool, guys. If you want to be in politics or you want to be in media, at least you have to have tertiary education. That's why in the free education I can teach you how to handle this equipment of cameras and how to edit. Because I've gone to school. I can edit. Edit. Anyway, 2026, we are changing the government. Let's get to this first before I continue.
Dude, you not see that as a Gelmi Records production? We do a couple of Mama Diamonds. Impi. Chiresta ya kusaranga ya kumana Kaisa Mungu tuwe paika. Chiresta ya kusaranga ya kwana Kaisa Mungu tusemaika. Nishina batekanya kwa tete ubasakala nyongo ngaba iringanya kwa tete ubapompwe ngaba isa mukulombe koti baijefya ngapushi walokwa ngabati banakirire batekanye kwa tete balya bachimeko ilyatwatalile pokusala bena twaleti bakaya tulandelako kanshibena mapange yabo yali yakuyankunonkelapo bakashite kwe jacket 3 piece na mapea fulu ayansapato bakatuminwe pizza chicken and chips iko na fanta bakanwinepo bakashete chicken shawama chile chibanzi ichafikoko bakochere potibon bakanwinepo whisky bakafimbe timikoshi na mafumo anyante kukunganda ya mafunde balila pofye balila banako banshipena tabanyantapo lyonse ni mumapachiro bamuamona baisa pempulako ni 15 ishtanga ya palama Yenska ya kusaranga ya kumana Kaisa Mungu tuwe paika Yenska ya kusaranga ya kwana Kaisa Mungu tusemaika Nishina batekanya kwa tete ubasakala nyongo ngaba iringanya kwa tete ubabumbwe Simone kafwe watule mikanto Ishakunene na kwechibumba Ichakubatwala pamipando Tapapakola bayamba Lokuponta ifilayo Tabafikirisha ifilayo Ifwe twatendwa Amabula nketi Ayabala ile Lilutula la pesaka Amanine na mabatile twakulaya Lilutula ila kanuka Misebo batile Bakesa seba Indala mashalu ila mwitumba Mstedi batwe Bifyo bakabumba Baituka ula vya masele mumapipa Filayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa ifilayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa ifilayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa usaranga kumana baisa mukutube baika usaranga kona baisa mukutuse baika nchina batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayibinganya kwatite ubabukwe yenska kusaranga kumana baisa mukutube baika yenska kusaranga kona baisa mukutuse baika nchina batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayibinganya kwatite ubabukwe twatitikishiwa mwandikwe na pafula n'obubino bwangalo batila politiki abengamano yabo yaba yamahipokriti tabakusana sana mano n'abafarisi yenska yakusaranga kumana baisa mukutube baika yenska yakusaranga kona baisa mukutuse baika batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayibinganya kwatite ubabukwe yenska yakusaranga kumana baisa mukutube baika yenska yakusaranga kona baisa mukutuse baika nchina batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayibinganya kwatite ubabukwe.
See that as a Elmi Records production.
Wantala misuka Ovapukwe Basakara nyongo Wantala misuka Ovapukwe Neti basakara nyongo
Like this.
Brothers and sisters, I want to say thank you to you, my brothers and sisters. Kufumoru chelo up to this time, nshirirepo chili chonse. So I can have my nshima now. Shirire chili chonse. Kufumoru chelo nshirire fili fyonse. Not even in bands. Because naturally in the town fit daddy. But in one stand facing Sambe Ndie Ndareko. Tomorrow I need to start driving early in the morning. So wherever you are, may God bless you. Let us continue preaching togetherness. And let us preach one Zambia, one nation. And Zambia is a Christian nation. Oh, what I can assure you, that wherever you are, well, if you are a civil servant, we are changing the government next year. And if you are not educated, we want to see how we can help. Some of positions nangunchito shimbi shabubulikrea shakuteke sabi shakurima under ZNS. Even you people were grade 7 na grade 9 kuti mwaingira nchito na uniform mwafwala na kubusoja kuti mwaingira mushokulishe mfuti nga kwabe nkondo tumafika kuyalishe mfuti nga bamisambisha chukulishe mfuti niso. Some of the works you can also train people using your own language. Aba kukongo abashirikale balanda Swahili banasema Swahili ba Kongoli kule unafika Tanzania, unafika Kongo Kongo diala kule bale basoda balaitiwa basoda bale basoda hakuna kili. They are not even educated, but they are trained to protect a nation is for everyone. So there is no need ya kutilati no kuingira obu soja kurefu aka grade 12 certificate kuingira ZNS kurefu aka grade 12 certificate awe. We need to change all these things. Small like na babe ni ba councillor kuwa councillor urefu kuwa member of parliament kwa dibafi wa mwabali kwa tamano kuchira na babe na ba kwa tama degree. So this time kulinga tukase fibwesha filabala ndio kwa bati uwa kuwa member of parliament unless na kwa get soft certificate I think it's not helping the community. There are people who are not educated, abashakwata certificate. They know how to speak English and they are good readers in the community. Umuntu ngala kwatareji. Aishwa no kura ndeti sungu mu parliament kuti alanda. Takwa chachi certificate cha grade 12. Nadi kwata mano. You need to give them chance. As long as they are able to speak English. Because in Mujamu parliament, the reason why they speak English, because everyone must listen. So, kulafwa ika kuchitashan. Kulafwa kana babi nabashasa mbili nabashakwata certificate. You allow them. Mulasenda ba grade 12 aba fumile maguskuru. Baba kansela. Dila baba kansela, tabakwata mitima isha kusunga bakalamba. Pantuna kwata certificate. Na muwati tekalamo. Aleto nyafya mabere ngafula ka 3000 kwacha nga nikashinga kale akabu kansela ngafula ale korwafi aleto nyamabere. Badi mwali baba kalamba mawadi abakwata mano abakweba basunga abantu baso bakaunda ukuba kansela bale biko abantu abakwata mano abakalamba yo abani ba kansela because mwali baba kalamba mumushi mwali baba kalamba abakweba dibelefa ko kubafwa umwana omunono na nebere dinenunka ati ba kansela alano na shashana bakalamba. So some of these things we are punishing our own people kulefa ko kufichinja fimo bishakwata mano ina ya kuskuru na lipisha skuru na dia college manje. It doesn't matter kuja abashakwata opportunity ya kuya kuma skuru but bali kwata mano. So vya kwati abashakwata mano bena bale vote fee. That nonsense must be stopped. Abashakwata certificate ba member of parliament ba councillor. When you go in parliament you only express yourselves in English. So what is the problem? Umuntu ngayishokula ndetsungu na alikwata na mano ya kuloche pali community alikwata na mtu alipata mulifitatu but the good leader wakwata mano ya kuloche pabakalamba. Allow them to be members of parliament, allow them to be councillors, allow them to be ministers. What kuteka abantu mano. That's why chimemba chando kwebati kuteke mbwa mano watekele mbwa muchipiyaya kwadi baba mwa abantu bashasambira bali kwata mano. But why are we treating those people who are not educated, adjusted, unless ngala kwata certificate? We are not helping this country. We are destroying this country. Kwadi baba mwa bakalamba bakwata mano. But tabakwata certificate. Isungu bali chibokulanda. Na reji bali kwata. Kuba stala unga utila bakwatendera bayi minina as a councillor or as a mayor. Bayi minina. Abantu nga bali batemo babavota. Abakalamba balasunga bana. Ababa ichemuleta munaba ichaba ichibemba chando kwebati nama yaba chitainona mulabula abantu abasabe aba ichibale korwafye abakalamba alabare baba kansela ama wadi yale ba developed because aba fyashi bali kwate mitima o bana kantona barwala yo ba mukula na pachiriro ababa ichaba mulebika ba kansela kuli chiriro aleto nyebere. They don't care because mwadirete chiri funde icha kwebo kwebati yo wakuwa kansela alinge kwata certificate grade 12 abale mu voter nibala bashasambira. You are a fool. This nonsense must be stopped. We need to find a way of helping those people who are not educated na bena bantu. As long as na kwata mano akula ninge charo akumona pandala mulukuya okay ndama tola shibomvya so kulosha muli ward muli constituency kwadi baba mwa bantu bakwata mano tabakwata grade 12 certificate mulefa bale mi voter mule nyama sushi mule ikuta bena bale fibombelo. We need to find a way of promoting those people not educated abashakwata certificate na bale immigrants councillors bale as a member of parliament not bale bashasambira bale fibombelo pantu mwali yakusiku mwakwata ka 6 mwakwata tuma credits mwakwata certificate yolo mwemi as a councillor bale abakalamba bakwata mano bale mi voter nga ba mi voters the councillor muleto nyafya mabele nokukisinga nokukorwa useless chire chiri funde kulapa kuchifumyapo uri wonse kuti ayiminina na mulefa nga for instance mulikulani ku southern province mwalishi bati the majority they speak Tonga uwashukula nde chitonga ni councillor kuti ayiminina na mlamune mulelande chitonga munani mlamune mulelande chitonga ma meeting na nkuba bemba kulya nakwala mtu mulelande chibemba as councillors mulelanda Twala bomba shani hapa. Yo epimpi chirefu ataniso na so. Naba shasa mbili, they are able to communicate. But mrefu wa mule mnafi ati, aba shasa mbili fi bombelo. Baka la mi vote afye. Elo mule nyo tusushi, pui. Bako bati mwabaye, even the people are not educated, nabadi kwa tamano. We should also allow them. Bale baba councillor, bale baba member of parliament. Teuti ati mtunga tasambili ete, isungu alishibokuranda. Unless na wata certificate ya grade 12. Elo wala ba member of parliament. Elo wala ba councillor. Elo wala ba mayor. Mrefu waba shasa mbilila. Baba fi wombero. Nabela bali kwa tensa mbu ya kuiminina. Allow them. So we will take up someone next year. As long as I'm going to be there. Nkabebo kutila TV ya upuwa chifumien. Umuntu kwa cholu pia. Na kwa tana mano. As long as alishiboku lemba. Kuba sisa lau. Councillor haba. Mumea kuti haba. Alishiboku lemba. Aliregala grade 12 certificate ya kwata. Kuti haba. As long as na kwa tamano. Noma mrefu waba shasa mbilila. Baba ifu bombelo. Bale mivota muleria. Mule kataba kashibena juba grade 12 certificate. No sense. Anyway. Mulale bwino. Mulale bwino wa mwana mayo. Mulale bwino. Inena bomba. Epo mpelele. Mweba shasa mbilila. We need to find the over opinion. Mule bako wa councillor. Mule bako wa mayor. Mule wa member of parliament. Na mutaka kwa ta certificate wa shukola ndeti sungu. Tuwalanda parliament mulia. Hishi walanda mulia. Ya. Pia ngashafu ma constituents wa ikalako. Kulefu atanishi misebo. Kulefu kama skuru. Wa hapa na bele kule skuru. Is it a problem? So nomba. Mublefu abasa mbili. Bale parliament mushitenshi. Beka. Ngaba shasa mbili. Bale fi bombero. Mule pangila poenda lama. You fools. Kaneka ponte mwanfu. Uri onse alingiro kwata mwenda lama mubuteko. Uwasa mbili na ushasa mbili. Melami bomfi kwa tifi bombero. Mulale bwino. Nesa mipare. Debo na utamelefu atinde kiokulanda. Mulale bwino. Mulale bwino. First umfwe kofi panolo before shila serebuka. Mumfwe kwa awa.
Jonza bila bantu kanda suba. Mafuta. Bantu misundu na uyinde mwaka. Nde bombero. No mbali. Wala mwana ta apike mirungu na mwita tu contracta lela pa. Diwa chabe, totalani.
Ilinomba kwa shalati less than eye ukuvota. Elo nomba kuli nomba wa councillors na ma MPs abatabale bombolo bafundumene. Ukwambe misewona aseboyo okabika tala lilafi wale extension yonse Mungu wa shadi uyo wale kwatira abapena ayo kwabwelelo wale extension yonse Mungu wobe mufuba bo wale extension yonse alakuka bakantu elomba abantu nabacha ino shita kula vote la fe Mungu umuntu usedeliva mubwekesheni utate deliver that person out in the name of Jesus. Mwachukula vote la vyo Mungu. Ino isa kumuna ngolo vote. Wamwe kweba tuwa kansi. Ngata disappointing. Ya tule kokula ma 5 years before. Set up. Ngata bombe. Nti replacement. So all of us are replaceable. Chimona kuchengero kulonga che bomba bwino. I'm replaceable.
That is our father in the Catholic. Thank you so much. You are the voice for the voiceless. Brothers and sisters, this country is now it's a corruption state. Na tumfeko why this country is a corrupt state.
Its members are tired of greediness, are tired of selfishness, and are tired of corruption that is taking place. This is the members of UPN. And about ordinary innocentism. For the first time in the history of Zambia, there is a government that is extremely corrupt. What is going on in Zambia today has never happened in the history of that country.
Moku. Munawisha MMT, munawisha UPND because of mulango wakutemu kuliamu. Ukuliamu tu alikutemuisha from the lower level to the higher level, from our mushi to our neighbors mumba. Ukufuata ukuliamu. Ababemba chala shani. Mwa shani kanshi. Mwa shani kanshi. Our mushi. They vote for UPND. When UPND is such a mess, they vote for them. But never Mumba, up to the point of being vice president. Now, that's why I'm saying the members, some of us, we are used idiots. Not all of them.